speak English confidently. How I can speak English confidently and effortlessly? Actually, I want to speak English, or I'm also learning English. But sometimes I think I'm making mistakes while speaking English. But sometimes I also think about why I'm making mistakes. I should be perfect. We should not make mistakes. We should every time be clear or be perfect. If I'm making mistakes, so how I can speak English confidently? I cannot speak English confidently. So I'm thinking about my mistakes too much. Yes guys, because sometimes I'm thinking what happened if someone find my mistakes. If I make mistakes while speaking English, then obviously people, they notice my mistakes, they find my mistakes, or maybe they laugh at me, maybe they mock at me. Then what I will do? What I will do? So sometimes I'm thinking too much. That is not good for speaking English. That is not good for improve my English. How I can speak English language? Is it possible to become fluent English speaker? Is it possible to become fluent English speaker with mistakes? Guys, I'm wondering about English speaking. Should I learn English? Should I speak? Or what should I do? Guys, if ever happened with you, so trust me, you are not alone. Because sometimes it also happened with me, and also a lot of people, they are struggling with this problem, with making mistakes. They are thinking too much. They are considering their mistakes too much. Whether I'm making mistakes, we should first be perfect. We should first learn each and everything, grammar, pronunciation, each and everything. Then we should start learning English language. We should start speaking in front of people. Otherwise, we will also make mistakes. We will every day make mistakes while speaking English. So what should I do? Guys, if you are thinking too much about your mistakes, so please guys, forget your mistakes in your initial day. Because in initial day, everyone who are learning English language, obviously they are making mistakes. Obviously they are making mistakes while speaking English. So why you are thinking too much? Please don't consider it too much. Speak whatever you want to speak. Speak aloud. Whether you are making mistakes, whether you are wrong, right, it does not matter. What is you are speaking or not? That is the most important point. So you should figure out each and everything, but don't think too much about your mistakes. Because every successful person, they goes through mistakes. They make mistakes each and every day. Then they try to learn everything from that mistakes. So initially, don't think too much. Speak whatever you want. Speak what you want to speak in front of the people, in front of the camera, whenever you want to. Just speak out. Because sometimes people, they will laugh at you. It is the real. Okay? It's a very real, or it's a very common thing. People will laugh at you, people will mock at you, people will find out your mistakes. So don't think too much, just try to learn each and every day. Because it's a language, and we should not take as a subject, we should take as a language. Because when we comes to speak in another language, obviously it's a normal to make mistakes. So why why we are thinking too much? We should first speak, then again we should try to correct them, we should try to be perfect. But waiting for the perfect time, I would say it is not good for speaking. Because I never believe that is, we should first be perfect, then we should go to do any work. Not just about English language, any other things, any other work. We should first take the step. We should first go forward. to achieve that. Then we can improve gradually. But once we start to learn anything, we should not get afraid about mistakes. It's a natural point. Okay, it's a human tendency. Everyone make mistakes. So we should always learn about our mistakes, where we are making mistakes or where we are perfect. We should always appreciate our efforts, appreciate our hard work. We should always remember which is I'm working, I'm trying to at least learn, I'm not stop myself, at least I'm trying to figure out my mistakes, I'm trying to learn something, a new language. That is the good point. So always think about your good things, okay? And gradually you will learn each and everything. And once you speak English confidently, no, they will always appreciate your efforts, your language, your confidence. But in the beginning, everywhere, when you are trying to improve yourself, everyone, some people they try to appreciate your efforts, some people they try to decrease your confidence level. So you should manage each and everything. It does not matter people they appreciate or people they are saying any negative things. It does not matter. And I think we should always consider positive points, because in the world there is a lot of people they have positive mind, or a lot of people they have negative mind. Some people they appreciate your word, some people they appreciate your work, but some people they may not. Some people they appreciate your work, or some people they try to say negative things about your personality, about your English speaking journey, about your hard work. So we must have to take as a advice, as a just unnecessary things. Then we should take it, but we should not use it for improve ourselves. We should just ignore them. So I believe in, if you want to speak English language, so you should not consider too much about your mistakes, because we should learn from the mistakes. It's a very common problem. It's a very necessary part of our life, part of learning journey, because mistakes are the sign that you are learning, that you are improving yourself. So prove them and improve. If someone they laugh at you, if someone they make fun of you, then you must have to prove yourself that you can speak English, you can improve yourself. Okay, so we should always consider it as a language, not to subject. If you consider it English as a subject, you will feel bored. So you must have to speak like just a language. Okay, and so now guys, I want to share about something weather in this video, because it has been raining a lot today in my village. Over there, that is a field, and it's totally full with water. And in English I can say water accumulated. Do you know accumulated? That means इकट्ठा होना. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना किसी चीज़ का इकट्ठा हो जाना, तो अगर वाटर इकट्ठा हो गया है तो हम उसको बोलेंगे वाटर accumulated. So same things happen with ourselves, happen with in English language. We have to do step by step. Then after passing some days, some year, we will feel the knowledge will accumulate it. So same thing relate with yourself. When you go step by step, then one day you will feel the knowledge will accumulate it, and you will speak English confidently and effortlessly. So small things will accumulate it in your mind, then you will speak English confidently. So don't afraid about making mistakes. Just allow yourself to make mistakes, and always be ready to face every situation in your life, because the life has full with problem, and facing them, it's the real beauty of life. So you must have to face everything. And I hope you found this video helpful. If it is, then please guys do like, share with your friends, and please subscribe this channel for get more videos about learning English language. So I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day. Bye bye.